A few videos back, I made a wonderful and delicious orange marmalade. We used it on chicken and vegetables, and it was heavenly. Before making it, we took the orange skins and started the process of making orange essential oil. There are a couple different ways to get the oil out of an orange. However, we chose to do it the longer but simpler method. The shorter but more difficult method involves physically squeezing the oil out with a mortar and pestle or a garlic press. Now let's talk about essential oils for a moment. In another video I did on making an herbal infused oil, I explained the differences between the two. With an herbal infused oil, you add the herb, or in this case the orange peel, to a carrier oil. This carrier oil is infused with the orange peel. It is much easier and less time-consuming process than making essential oil. With an essential oil, you are removing the oils naturally found in the herb, or in this case the orange peel. So it takes lots of oranges to equal a small amount of essential oil. It's the same way with herbs. It takes a massive amount to equal a few drops of essential oils. We begin the process by peeling the freshly washed skins and setting the skins out to dry under a fan. The skins are where the essential oils are located. Drying the skins just helps get any water moisture away from the skins so the oil can be extracted. We started out with 20 pounds of oranges. After 2 days of drying, I take the skins and pulse it in a blender. Now, a lot of people would say not to do this. They say the best method is to finely chop the skins with a knife. My blender isn't the best, so I felt it was okay to blend them. Don't blend them into a powder, you just want small pieces. I took those pieces and placed them in a glass jar. I sat it by a sunny window. I poured 100 proof alcohol over the small pieces. Make sure to cover at least 2 inches above the pieces in the jar, as the orange pieces will absorb a lot of the alcohol. Every day I turn it upside down just to mix everything together and left it sitting by the sunny window. I did this for 2 full weeks. After the 2 weeks, you can strain the orange pieces out. The liquid that is left is both the alcohol and the essential oil. I place this under a fan. It's best to do this in a warmer place, however, I only had my cooler pantry. The air movement and the warmth can help evaporate the alcohol so that all that is left is the essential oil. This can take 1 to 2 weeks. Once you have the alcohol evaporated, you are left with the natural essential oils that were inside the orange peels. You can bottle this up and use it when needed. I have it in a small baby glass container. However, the best way to store this is in an amber glass bottle. The amber is dark and keeps light from denaturing the product. We hope you have found this video helpful. Remember, it's not about if, it's about when. S.H.T.F. Survival Homestead Teaching Farm thanks you greatly for watching this video. Please continue to help us help you by liking, sharing, and subscribing.